Hi, my name is Steve Samarripa and I am part of Decolores Queer Orange County as well as Familia Trans Queer Liberation Movement. And I am here to tell you a little something about the GBT pod located inside the Santa Ana City Jail. Although this pod was created to protect us from possible harm, discrimination, and harassment from other inmates inside the jail, what's come to our attention that even though we are separated from those inmates, our community is still experiencing harassment and discrimination inside the Santa Ana City Jail by actual officers and by actual guards there that all went through sensitivity training that apparently is not thorough enough. We have learned that some of our trans and queer brothers and sisters there are not receiving the adequate medical attention they deserve. Specifically, talking about people that are HIV positive and transgender folks that are not getting medication or their hormones in time. This needs to stop. Not one more.